Hi everyone, it's Lenore the Medicare lady. Hope you're having a great day, and we are continuing with our 5-part video series, Common Medicare Mistakes to Avoid, and we're on Common Medicare Mistake number 5, and that is not disputing any surcharges you may receive on Medicare Parts B and D. So if you recall, yesterday we talked about how Medicare uses a 2-year look-back period to determine what your gross adjusted income is. So if you're applying for Medicare right now, they're going to look at your income tax return from 2 years ago, which would be 2016. So they'll look at your income from 2 years ago, and that will determine what your premium for Medicare Part B will be now. Sometimes, however, that income can actually be inflated by a couple of reasons. Maybe in 2016 you were working a job, maybe you got a big bonus, maybe your spouse was working, maybe you took a 401k distribution, maybe you had a property and you sold it, maybe you had an inheritance. Those are some of the reasons why your income may be higher in prior years or maybe inflated and not really your true income. There is a form you can fill out called an SSA 44, which is a life-changing event form. You present that form to Medicare along with any documentation to show what your actual income is, and you'll actually be able to possibly lower your Medicare premium for Parts B and D, because sometimes if your income is looking higher, you will pay the higher amount known as IRMA. IRMA is the income-related monthly adjustment amount that you might have to pay over the standard Part B and D premium. So if you make over $85,000 as a single or $170,000 as a couple, Medicare says you are considered an actual high income earner, and you could actually pay more than you need to on Medicare Part B premiums if your income was inflated over that amount based on a bonus, or as I said before, you were working so your income was higher. If you have questions about that, please feel free to comment, and we'd love to get back to you. And stay tuned as we come in the next couple of days. We'll be putting out some more good informational Medicare videos. Have a great night.